All right, today we're going to bring on RV lock, and this is actually with a pin code, and they include the batteries. In case you forget or the batteries drain out, you can always use the keys too, including with it everything that's required for the actual setup. If you don't have any of the keyholes or anything like that, they're also included with it. The instructions, the default password, and how to change the passwords included in here. And we're going to set it up, including, look at this, the actual tools that you can require. And this is a Phillips in there. It's a pen Phillips, a little small one. To mention that they give you the key fobs too, 2 of them. So in case you don't want to use the keys, you can put them on your keychain and set them up with the key fobs. So let's go ahead and set this up. This is great for camping. You forget your keys or you leave your keys in there. Perfect way to log in and go back inside your RV. Look at how the key fobs look like. Buttons control to unlock and lock. Keychain holder and included. You do need batteries, so in time you have to change the battery, and they do give you the extra, they give you a Phillips to actually replace the battery in time. All right, so batteries go in here, and that's what they give you, the Phillips to remove the actual screw. All right, remove the screw, and there is an off and on button here, and the key fob alarm, and you have to set it up to learn. Well, we're gonna go ahead and do that in a bit right now, but first let's go and install the batteries. All right, so here's our RV entrance that we have, and it looks small from here, but if you open it up, it has the actual proper setups in here. So just be aware when you're buying something like this that it's gonna match it, and this is pretty much a standard in a lot of RVs. So we're gonna go ahead and change it out and see how it looks. So very simple to remove the old one, and we still have to take out the other side. So we're just gonna make sure that this, yeah, they're gonna have to unscrew this part too. All right, we're gonna have to unplug it in order to set it up. So go ahead and unplug it. Okay, we got the piece set up already. Okay, we got it plugged. Just installed this, but in order to install this, it was a little tiny difficult because you have to be holding this up, pushing this thing in so this thing could actually snap in. Make sure it fits in the lock. All right, once this locks in, you connect it back in here, and on the other side we also had to unlock it, because if you don't unlock it, it's going to be completely locked. So that's another thing that you have to use the keys to do that in order to make sure it works. And once you set it up, you could be able to unlock it from both ends. All right, so the lock itself, here it is, and then I'm going to show you guys. If you guys can see it, it's locked, completely locked. But if you do this, open up, close it up, open, close, very simple. Lock, you just put the combination 1, 2, 3, 4, unlock. Yeah, it unlocks and you're able to open it. Okay. So you don't have to hit the button until you unlock it or lock it, either one. All right, for the key fob to program, you're gonna have to hold down the fob. You're gonna need a paper clip or a needle or something, and then you hold the lock key at the same time for 3 seconds. All right, so there.
Ahí está.
Let it go.
Okay. Ahí está. Okay.
We're gonna demo, guys, that you could. We're gonna lock it right now. So locking it, 1, 2, 3, 4, lock. It's locking itself. We can't open it. All right. So we got 3 ways: key, fob, and program. So we're gonna unprogram it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Unlock it, and we're able to lock it. Now we're gonna lock it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lock. We're gonna unlock it with the key. And then unlock it with the key, lock it, and it's locked. Now we're gonna unlock it with the fob. All right, it's unlocked, and there you go. 3 ways to actually unlock the system and lock it. So make sure this is the lock. With this one's a deadbolt. Once you lock it, you can't even unlock it with the code or with the key fob. So make sure you only lock it from here. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.